We'll guide you through how to achieve your Asana goals efficiently and effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Goals tab, which is the dedicated section for goal management. Here, you can see all your current goals or create new ones. To create a new goal, click on the New Goal button. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your goal. Make sure it's specific and clear, such as increase team productivity by 20%. Next, you'll set a description to elaborate on what this goal entails and why it's important. This helps provide context and motivation. Then, choose a due date for your goal. It's essential to set realistic timelines that keep your team motivated but not overwhelmed. Assign the goal to a specific owner or a team. This person or team will be responsible for ensuring the goal is met. You can also link projects or key results that are associated with this goal to keep everything aligned. Once your goal is set up, you'll see it appear on your goals dashboard. You can track progress by updating goal metrics regularly. To do this, click on the goal and update the progress bar as tasks and projects are completed. This visual representation helps you see how close you are to achieving your goal at any given time. A great tip is to regularly review your goals with your team during meetings. This ensures everyone is aligned, and any potential roadblocks are addressed early. Remember, achieving goals is a team effort, and keeping communication open is key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.